Let's start with the beginning of the 2025. I mean, look at the view, guys. Look at the view. The Adriatic Sea. And let me pass this one. Oh yeah! It is a very nice December day. We are still in 2025 and I just decided to go for a ride. This is gonna be probably the last ride in this year. We are not gonna talk about the season, the riding season, because a lot of you are riding through the whole year. As you can see, guys, some of our fellows are on the road here too, and I am just very happy that the weather is just perfect. Let me check what is the temperature. 13 degrees, and we are in the middle of December. Let's go and ride. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to another Yamaha Tracer 9 video. This is gonna be the last ride for the 2025 because in 2 weeks time we are gonna be in 2026, and the weather, like I said, it's just perfect. It is warm, it is sunny, and this is something that we should appreciate in December. What I have to say, I mean, what I have to share with you, I have to do a little summary of this year. But before I do the summary that I just mentioned, guys, I have to tell you something special. I mean, today it's something that it's not happening every day, but it's happening every year, and each year. And today it's Derek's birthday. Happy birthday, Derek! I have to announce it here. Happy birthday! Have fun and ride safe, my friend. You're riding probably right now like I am, and have a nice day, and take care, Derek. Happy birthday. Okay guys, where I should start? Let's start with the beginning of the 2025. This year it was quite a, let's say, interesting year, because I filmed quite a lot of videos, but not so many test rides. You know, I didn't have that much of opportunities to go for a test ride, and some of my test rides somehow disappeared. You know, I filmed some BMWs, I filmed a little Aprilia that you are watching right now these days, because I uploaded it not so long ago. And basically I had some plans also for filming the Piaggio MP3s 310, the new model, but I just couldn't do it. And for the next year I have plans to pick that one that I promised you and film a test ride video. Otherwise it was a very interesting year also, because those bikes that I filmed, like the BMW K1600, that one was a really nice bike. I mean, so sophisticated, powerful, and very good looking. I mean, you probably all know about the K series from BMW, and among other videos, I mean, I filmed also some other videos, like do-it-yourself videos, like traveling videos. I mean, I was riding the very well-known Slovenian pass, and those of you who skipped that video, please check it. It is up here, and let me pass this one. Oh yeah! It's still pushing like crazy, and this was always a Yamaha Tracer 9. Always enough of power, you know, always. I mean, I filmed also some traveling videos, some trips, and the one that I mentioned about the Slovenian pass, please check it. And the other one, it's the series that it is right now on my channel available, and this is my trip to Bulgaria 2025. You can check it. There are many episodes to come, and this is just the beginning. Every single Sunday till the end of winter almost, there is gonna be one on Sunday. I hope that you will enjoy it. I hope that it is gonna be interesting for you. I had a very nice experience there. I visited a lot, I rode a lot around Bulgaria, and it was just fun and interesting, you know, guys. Those of you who are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I really appreciate it. I mean, it is something that gives me more strength to film, to edit, you know, because this is a crazy job. I mean, you have to do a lot. You have to take a lot of free time to do things properly, and this is something that I am ready to do. But if you push me with subscribing and watching, and I mean following me, it is even better, guys. Okay. I have to show you something interesting and very nice, and I will do it right now. This one, it's crazy slow. Okay, now I see the point. Let's wait a bit. Project Beton, Project Concrete in English. They are building, constructing there on the right. I mean, look at the view, guys. Look at the view. the Adriatic Sea. There it's Koper, my hometown, and the open Adriatic Sea. Very, very nice. Let's make a photo here. One thing more, guys, like every year I am showing you the stats about the season, and as you can see, 28,791 kilometers. This is roughly 6,000 kilometers and half with this bike this season. This is not a lot, but remember, I rode also the Suzuki Bandit. It was, let's say, 3,000 and half kilometers on the Bandit too, so combining all together 10,000 kilometers, and this is just not that much, but still something. Right now I can only say thanks for watching, and take care. Those of you who are riding, ride safe, and see you in the next one.